Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fulton County, Indiana, northern Cass County, Indiana, northwestern Miami County, Indiana, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Logansport, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Logansport, Rochester, Mexico, Denver, Fulton, Macy, Climbers, Nana Lake, Lisa's Corner, Deepsville, 12 Mile, Matea, Hoover, Fletcher, Adamsboro, Lucerne, Lake Sycot, and Anoka. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: